Yes. Good morning. Today I'm presenting about murals in my former high school, which is Catholic High School in PJ. Okay, when I hear school bells ringing, it brings a sense of nostalgia to me. This is what I felt when I was back in my high school for this project, and that's the lush green field of Catholic High. And Catholic High is a half-government school founded by a group of missionaries called Mary's Brothers in the year 1956. And Catholic High School spans an area of about 8 acres. The main facilities are the sports center, the hall, and there's a church nearby. And the structures of Catholic High are interlocking with one another, making it hard to navigate for newcomers. So it's really common if you get lost in it. The architecture of Catholic High is pretty simple, and it has lots of flat concrete walls available for wall painting because, as you can see, there are many flat walls. In Catholic High, there are two main types of mural paintings. First is the graffiti mural, and next is the painted murals. Graffiti murals are relatively new, and it takes only hours to finish. However, painted murals, they have thinner lines and have more details, but they take a longer time to complete. The materials for graffiti is that spray cans are used to spray graffiti, but it's harder to control. While for painted murals, we use lacquer acrylic paint and paintbrushes and to paint the murals stroke by stroke, and it is really time consuming. So first, moving on to painted murals. This painted mural is painted in the year 2001, and it's at the Girls Guide Lodge. It has a long history, that's why the color is fading. The depictions of activities done by Girl Guides are painted, such as camping and helping the elderly. So now let's move on to the floor of the school. Little known to the public that there's a mural painting behind of the foyer, and it's 100% done by students. It was drawn by the Chinese Language Society in the year 2006 in conjunction with Chinese New Year. As you can see, they spend their whole year-end holiday for all these paintings, and there are many Chinese elements such as the lion dance and the Chinese chess. Next, we'll proceed to the modern and contemporary graffiti murals. So the graffiti mural displayed here is at the Scouts room. As you can see, there's a Scouts logo and a campfire, and graffiti murals have more striking colors, and the lines are more clear-cut as compared to mural paintings. Lastly, this graffiti mural was designed by myself. It was painted. I painted this with my fellow creative club members under the supervision of a graffiti artist named Kenji Chai. It's painted for a national competition in conjunction with Visit Malaysia year 2014. It's for a national competition. But there are many hidden messages inside because I designed this, and there are many national elements because it's in conjunction with the Visit Malaysia year, such as the KLCC and the Hornbill. So the sun represents the bright future, and as you can see, there's hibiscus and the Hornbill and many religious buildings. So, as you can see, teamwork and effective public communication between members are vital in completing a task such as finishing a graffiti mural. And we're glad that our team managed to pull it off, and that's us and Mr. Kenji Chai, the graffiti artist. That's the end of my presentation. Well, to conclude, I felt that graffiti murals and mural paintings, they are each unique with their own styles, and they all carry really strong aesthetic value and certain meaning to the viewers. So I hope that the public will appreciate more of these murals because it takes a lot of hard work to finish them. Thank you.